Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a super fun activity for kids or even for adults, check out my awesome friend here. This is an inflatable football toss game from Preferred Toys. This guy is really durable and he's just like the old school toy, the Weeble. Once you put the water in the bottom and then fill the top part with air, he will wobble but not fall down. The toy itself has two colors. It is red on one side and blue on the other, so you can have opposing teams playing against each other. It comes with two footballs and it comes with a pump, so you could easily deflate this and re-inflate it, bringing it with you to a park or a party for lots of fun. The net that has for the two balls is nice and durable, and the plastic itself on this does not feel cheap, but rather it feels like it's well made and very durable. I really love that this was really easy to set up, and even though it's primarily for outdoor use, it is great fun for inside as well. If you have a super crazy football family like ours, then they'll have lots of fun using this, maybe even while the games are on. It would be great for a Super Bowl party as well, so that you can really make the event lots of fun and interactive. If you need something fun for the kids to do that will keep them busy for a little while, or if you want to have a party and bring your super awesome football friend with you, go for it. You'll have lots of fun doing it. But that's just my point of view.